Right now is the best time to get involved with AlgoBox as we celebrate the 7th year anniversary of our public release. During this reboot launch, we have new and updated training materials to enhance your trading and shorten the learning curve with AlgoBox Pro, Flowmaster, and Enigma with all their new features and enhancements. Let me take a quick moment to introduce ourselves to the brand new viewers with us. I won't take long with a few of the AlgoBox historical details, but if you are new, I do recommend you read through this and allow me to highlight a few of the particulars here. We are very proud to be the #1 largest futures Discord trade room in the world, and using AlgoBox, we have won multiple trading challenges against top online traders that you may already be familiar with. We are one of the few organizations in the trading industry who has successfully delivered a third-party verified track record along with a trade copy service for mirrored trader accounts of 1.5 years or more within our first year of launch. In a sea full of scammers, we consider this to be the gold standard of a trading service worthy of your time. We are now in our 7th year of offering AlgoBox to retail traders, and we've only continued to improve since the early years of our public launch. 2016 was the first year AlgoBox was made publicly available to retail traders. The AlgoBox system of today bears little resemblance to its humble origins in its early years. Every fiscal quarter of every year, the AlgoBox team continued to enhance and release deeper and richer tools to the software arsenal to battle the algorithmic markets. With the good Lord's blessing, and our current capabilities have far surpassed our expectations or wildest imaginations from when we began this mission to take on the markets and expose its internals for neophyte traders and professionals alike. This brings us to today. Our tools have outgrown our training modules. We have even faster paths now, more powerful machines, nanosecond granularity data delivery, features not seen in any other trading platforms, and such power in our software modules that there is no way we're ever going back to trading without them. Our technology is second to none. It's time for our training modules to get an upgrade. It's time for a reboot. The AlgoBox community has experienced significant growth, attracting traders at various stages of their trading journeys. Our recent training initiatives have primarily catered to intermediate and advanced traders, taking into account valuable feedback from our community. In response to that feedback, we are excited to announce that we will be developing a comprehensive training series specifically designed for absolute beginners, ensuring they have a solid foundation to embark on their trading journey as well. Some of our favorite features are our live application and examples through live stream events with trader feedback, as well as video training reviews of trading sessions from our members by an AlgoBox mentor. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels and enable your bell icon notifications so you don't miss the next one and participate along with us. Most of you are likely acquainted with our renowned 120-day program. As you commence your training with us, you will become familiar with its inner workings. To provide a summary, the initial 40 days will be dedicated to watching video training materials and taking personal notes to solidify the details in your understanding. Subsequently, during the second and third sets of 40 days, you will actively apply those strategies and techniques in simulated accounts, gaining practical experience and proficiency with the AlgoBox system of tools. This period will empower you to confidently utilize your training and effectively apply the knowledge acquired. As you join us in our training reboot, you can appreciate our approach in getting straight to strategy entry techniques in week number 1. We will use an inductive approach in our video training series, working our way up to the broader filtering and big picture business mindset with standard operating procedures from the trade entry basics and working our way to the top. This means you can start practicing entries, targets, and stops quickly and work on enhancing those with higher time frame confluence, advanced filtering, market bias, news, timing, and more as you progress through your training program. Right now, as you're getting started, let's cover some general areas to note to eliminate any confusion. Depending on when you are watching this presentation, the training materials may have moved or be in the process of moving. There are 2 digital locations for getting your personal access to the official training video library program. Firstly, the Discord trade room is the best place to get updates, ask questions to moderators and members, submit support tickets, and get general help and information when needed. The digital training video materials are being migrated from inside our Discord to our website. Hopefully by the time you are watching this, the video library migration will be complete and will be available to you once you have a member website login and become a premium member by choosing one of our packages on our pricing page, or if you are working through a trial membership with us, you will have access to a condensed video list to help you make your decision if our program is right for you. If you're getting started with us and feeling a bit lost, that's okay. Just join our Discord room and begin by navigating to the Getting Started section on the left-hand side of Discord where it says Start Here, or ask someone by typing a question in our Discord public chat. Don't forget, if you sign up and participate in your 2-week free trial with us and decide to join us within the first month of your trial period, you are eligible to unlock your special first-time guest offer discounts. If you do not receive your special discount offer yet, feel free to reach out to us anytime by submitting a support ticket inside of our Discord, and we'll make sure you get that opportunity as soon as possible. It is our personal pleasure to get to know each one of you as our members, and our primary focus and our mission to help you improve your trading business with the best trading tools and mentorship available on the web. We're looking forward to working with you, and feel free to schedule a voice call with us through the website anytime. See ya.